Sassy Mama.
And I'm Sassy Teen.
And we're coming to you today because we wanted to show a couple of products that we tried on our hair and let you know how they are. First we tried these little bottles. I have the shampoo, she had the conditioner. We both shared it to try it out, and we also tried out this oil. This one is called the Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo.
Renewing Organ Oil.
The Argan Oil from with Morocco conditioner, and Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Hydrating Oil. There you go. Okay, before we tried it, like our hair, we're coming to you with no makeup or not brushing our hair this morning yet because we wanted to show you exactly what it looks like when you wake up after you shampoo at night. So it says for the shampoo, you just put it on, lather up, wash it, and then rinse it out. And it's real easy. For the conditioner, it says that you have to put it on and you have to use it for 3 minutes, right?
3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes, and then after you're done, you just wash it out, and that's it. You can towel dry. We like to brush our hair out, get all the tangles out, and then we just leave it down to dry the rest of the night while we sleep. Sandra did not put in any oil. She just had it natural with the shampoos and the conditioner, and her hair came out so shiny and so soft, and it smells really good. I think my hair smells really good, and it gave my hair a lot of shine. Usually our hair is dry and doesn't have that shine to it. It's not as puffy as it usually would be. Now I put in the oil last night, and the oil claims that it helps to mend split ends and tame flyaways. It helps with the frizz too. So to me, without the oil, I don't think it would have worked as good. But since I had the oil, it made like the world of difference in my hair. Sandra's hair is a lot healthier than my hair was because I've done like a lot of highlights and hair coloring, things like that in my hair, whereas she hasn't done so many things in her hair, and it was a lot more healthier. But basically, from an older woman's point of view, I think these products are worth the money. You can try these. We got these samples for $1.99 each at Walgreens. They were on sale. And then this one, I think we paid like maybe $9 at Target. So it's not that bad. What about from your point of view?
It worked really well. Like, my hair was really dry, and now it's like soft. And
because you were thinking you were going to need treatments in your hair, right? Like some kind of oil treatments.
yeah, like I thought I was gonna have to cut it or something because it was so dry and everything. I thought my hair was unhealthy, but after using it, it started working. Like, my hair is nice.
And we've only used this once. This is our first time using it, so this is why we're giving you the review after just one try. And it came out really well. So do you like it?
Yes.
So she's a fan and I'm a fan. So if you want, go ahead and try it. Bye.